We'll fix the Frigidaire oven error code F050, door lock error, reset and repair tips. So, the fixed one, you can reset the oven. Turn off the oven at the circuit breaker, then wait for 5 minutes, then turn the power back on and check if the error is gone. The fix 2, here you can firstly check the touchpad or control panel. So turn off the power from the breaker, then open the control panel carefully and then check for stuck button or moisture. Then clean and gently and reconnect everything properly. In the fix 3, you can firstly reset the control board connection. So switch off power at the breaker, remove the back panel of the control area, then unplug or replug all wire connector firmly and then restore power and test the oven again. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this kind of problem. Goodbye.